Who doesn't love a basket of fried shrimp?
Southern fried shrimp to be exact, and extra crunchy.
Oh, topped with a little fresh lemon juice.
Oh, and plunged into some homemade cocktail sauce.
Oh,
that's living.
That is, you don't get better than that. I tell you, homemade, and I love the cocktail sauce with the fried shrimp.
Oh, that cocktail sauce it packs a little punch.
Just a little bit. Okay, let's keep going.
We've got a pound of extra large shrimp. I'm just gonna throw in some pepper,
you can get some Gulf Coast
salt.
Gulf Coast shrimp. You're going to be rocking and rolling. But anything you can get, I'm going to even say you can get. I mean, frozen shrimp in the supermarkets usually frozen. Just make sure it's good quality. You check the sources. Anyway, okay.
I put salt and pepper in there.
You did.
Yes, and now I'm just going to mix this up real quick. This is buttermilk. That's 1.5 cups of buttermilk.
This is what makes this Southern style, and like what we like to call it, really extra crunchy.
Yes, and then we've got some stone ground mustard, and this is 2 tablespoons, I believe.
Yes, and that is going to be a flavor booster like you've never.
Yes, this is. Oh, I'll tell you all.
It's so good.
And I'm just going to mix this really.
We've set everything
together.
up. I'm just sitting back and watching. I
know.
love this.
I'm the one that's doing all the work
But
today.
I'll tell you though, you're going to watch this and you're going to see. I never knew fried shrimp was so easy. It's simple.
Look at that. And then I'm just going to pour this over the shrimp, get it all worked together.
And it's not like chicken. It doesn't have to sit in that marinade for a long time. Just, really long enough to get the breading together.
Got it. Now I got the breading here real quick.
Wow, you are working.
The flour. I know, watch out. And now I got the flour, which is a cup and a half of flour. And
all-purpose flour.
Then I've got salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. And I don't know what the measurements
are. That's 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne.
There we go.
Don't worry, the cayenne just gives it a little. I mean, this is Southern, so we want a little kick to it, but it's not. It's not like it's too spicy at all.
Oh, it's so good. I love a little punch
of flavor.
A little punch of flavor and heat.
I do too. I do too.
So could they leave out a little less?
If you want, I'm telling you,
cayenne.
You would not eat this and think, wow, it's spicy. But if you really hate spice, you just leave the cayenne out.
All right, Chris, I'm gonna have to have you do this because I don't have any gloves on.
So now we're gonna do these in batches, and just. If you don't have gloves, no worries. Just make sure you're not touching anything after this with your shrimpy fingers, and
don't comb your hair or brush your teeth.
Or suck your thumb or anything like that, or let the.
Yes, because that's what you do.
I've been known to do it when I get really upset because we're not having fried shrimp.
Oh, please.
Okay, so now I'm just doing this in batches.
I love. Oh, you guys, this makes it so crunchy and delicious.
We did this on the blog many, many years ago, and it became one of our most popular posts that we've ever done. I mean, early on. And so we have not revisited this. We're going back to a lot of our old classics, and we had to do this one because we just love it so much. And you're going to see why if you haven't already seen. So now I've got some oil over here heated to 350 degrees. It's vegetable oil. I've just got this in my skillet. You can do it in a deep fryer. Just be careful. Don't overcrowd the pan, and don't put too much oil in. And we are just going to carefully drop these in. Oh my gosh. So excited about this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. And I love that you got the extra large ones.
Yeah, I mean, it's like what they say in Texas, go big or go home.
Totally. The higher the hair, the closer to God.
That's right.
All right, so we're doing the cocktail sauce right now. I'm doing the cocktail sauce right now.
I know.
I've got a cup of ketchup, and then I have some horseradish, some prepared horseradish. And it is 2 tablespoons. Ooh.
Well, let me just say what we're doing over here.
Yeah.
And you want to tend to these as soon as you put them in, because they may want to right at first. They love to. They're a close-knit family, the old shrimpy. So they may want to stick together. So just get some metal tongs or a spider and just kind of help them. Just
look at those. Those already look crunchy.
I know they are in the smell. Okay.
All right, so I've got the 2 tablespoons of horseradish. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then it's some hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Yes. Then, listen to me. Then 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce.
And you may think again, like, wow, that's like hot sauce and horseradish. That's got a kick. It's cocktail sauce. It's meant to have a little bit of a kick, but it complements this so well.
It's the easiest cocktail sauce ever.
I know. Usually, a lot of times when I have fried shrimp, when we have fried shrimp, you have tartar sauce, and that's delicious too. But this Southern style, that's got a little bit of a zing to it. It just works perfectly with the homemade cocktail.
Yeah.
And I'm not.
And this is perfect for your shrimp cocktail sauce or your shrimp cocktail.
Exactly. It really is. I'm not even a big fan of horseradish. It's one of the few things in the world I'm not a big fan of, but it works in that, just like it works in a Bloody Mary. Okay. Hey, Bloody Mary.
Amen, amen.
Okay, we're gonna let this fry up. These only go about 4 minutes. We're gonna do the next batch, and then we're ready to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, the smell of fried shrimp, regardless of where you are.
They look so good.
You know, I was gonna say, these are a little, these are what we call Southern fried shrimp.
These are, look at those,
There's
guys.
the other kind that I call the New England style, and I don't even know if that's right, but it's got the finer breadcrumb breading on it, and I adore those as well. With those, especially dipped in some tartar sauce. We need to do that version.
Well, we need
next.
coconuts too.
We
Coconut shrimp.
do.
My
I'm gonna
mom's
start dumping these here.
favorite thing.
Look at those.
Look at that. My mom's favorite thing in the whole world is popcorn shrimp. So you could have it anytime, any day. And
be happy.
And be happy.
And my mom, on the other end of the spectrum, just does not like
shrimp.
any kind of shrimp. I've even tried to sneak it to her, which is not a very nice thing to do as a son. I know, and I've apologized profusely. But she just does not like shrimp. So but this, I mean, if you like shrimp, folks,
she likes catfish.
She does like catfish. I know. It's well. Okay.
Y'all. These are super hot right now.
These are really hot. So aren't they beautiful though? They're so gorgeous.
I can't wait to pop them in my mouth.
They look like shrimp version of fried chicken. Okay, so we are gonna let these cool for just a second. We're gonna clear things away and we're gonna get up and have ourselves an old shrimp basket meal. Is this not a party? I mean.
Look at those baskets of shrimp.
I know, so I'll leave some links for these baskets. They're so much fun. And then this paper, you serve this to guests. They're gonna be like, are you kidding me?
Good.
You are the coolest. Okay, so these are still nice and piping hot, which is the way you want them.
You need a little squirt of lemon.
Squirt of lemon.
That's a juicy lemon.
It is. These are very juicy lemons. Okay.
Now, it's time for the big old plunge.
No utensils other than your fingers are needed. Plunge, baby, plunge. Oh, you're eating.
Mm-hmm.
You ate the whole line. I love it so much. I love fried shrimp, and this way to fry it, I'm telling you.
I ate the whole thing.
I know, I better catch up.
Wow.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
You guys. I'm gonna eat this whole basket.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on. This sauce, too. Oh.
The cocktail sauce goes with the. There's a little bit of a kick with the cocktail sauce, but it's just it's a kick in the pants that feels so good. That sounded wrong.
Ouch. All right, that is 100,000% Loon approved.
Yeah, baby!
Oh, Mom would love this.
I
Oh.
know. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You got to make fried chicken, and you saw this came together. 30 minutes. I mean, really, you get your oil going and then you bring it all together. You serve it right before guests come.
So quick.
It's great for an appetizer. It's great for an entree. It's great for just a Sunday afternoon by yourself. All right. We love you
I want to eat
guys.
this whole basket. We love you.
I know too. Shrimp.